We're in Russian supermarket right now, picking some food. Look at this. This is pickled carrot, pickled tomatoes, pickled, I don't know what's that, pickled tomatoes, and pickled watermelon. We Russians can pickle absolutely everything. Today's August 22nd. It's a regular day, but today we have an event. My lovely wife gonna do face painting.
Yeah, I have a side job at a face painter.
She did it before in LA several times, but it's gonna be the first time in New York City, right?
Yeah, first time.
But it's still a pretty cool side job, and she charges a lot.
Not a lot, not a lot. Yeah.
It was a success, right?
Yeah, they love it. Yeah.
I like the new butterfly.
I put so many glitters on their face. Kids like glitters.
And we got free coffee over there.
Here, Alex handmade.
And we are at like Russian area right now. So we found a supermarket, Russian supermarket on the map. So we're gonna go and check out some Russian snacks. I relax. No, it's next block.
Just take whatever you like, okay?
A lot of Russian booze. Hold on. This is what I need for sure.
Really? Is it Russian waffles?
Yeah, it's like waffle cake. These cookies. This is like classic Russian cookies. You make hot tea or hot milk. You put it in your cup, and take it out and have it, you know.
Let's take it. Let's try it.
This all here, it's something what normal supermarkets in America are missing, you know. They don't have any of this. They don't have such a variety of sweets and candies and biscuits. This is so sad, but this place is, I like this place. Last time I bought these candies, see? These ones. When you chew, they first they're hard, when you chew they become like glue.
Yeah,
if you have bad teeth, you're gonna lose your teeth with these candies. You wanna try again?
No, thank
so
you.
So this thing is called halva.
Halva. Oh,
halva.
yeah,
It is so sweet, even I can't take it. Your favorite? Fish.
This one?
Yeah.
Let's take one.
And this is the section with pickles. We pickle everything in Russia. Everything, look at this. These are cucumbers. All of those cucumbers. Then tomatoes. Tomatoes. Pickled salad. See that? Pickled mushrooms. This is something very delicious. People in Russia like to drink vodka and have this.
Do you want to have it?
No, I'm good. This is my personal drag. Sunflower seeds. Ivy's favorite part in Russian supermarket. This. It's ready-made food.
My mouth is watering.
My wife cannot stop. It's taking more and more. There is something else I have addiction to. It's dumplings, but it's not regular dumplings. It's sweet dumplings. Look, this is dumplings with cherries, with cabbage. This is not sweet. This is potatoes, and this is like cottage cheese dumplings. This is something I like. Napoleon. Napoleon, you're gonna go with me back home. Don't worry, everything is good. You're gonna be safe.
Let's go. What are you doing here?
Keychain. Okay, so remember, like 15 minutes ago, we were so happy that I earned $90 in 1 hour.
Yeah.
So we spent it in 10 minutes.
Yeah,
In Russian
$100.
supermarkets, yeah. So remember, in LA we found several supermarkets. One was Chinese, one was Japanese, and one was Russian. I think Russian is the most expensive, right?
Yeah, yes.
$90.
It's,
One bag.
I think it's a normal price.
96.
Yeah.
Normal.
But for me it's like free because this painting event I got it accidentally.
Yeah, Alex. Alex
Our
recommended
friend,
Ivy.
yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, our car is coming. Okay, I'm here today with my super famous co-star Alex.
Hello guys, hello girls.
You know why my YouTube channel is so successful? Because of this guy. Every single time my video goes viral it's because of him. Extremely famous. Look at his face. He's a famous person.
And he totally doesn't pay me for this.
Yeah, free
Zero.
star. I've never been on any rooftops in this city yet, and this guy here, which talks on his phone all the time, he said he knows one place which is cool and which is more important, free. So, got yourself a coffee?
А?
Взял кофе?
Да, купил кофе.
Моя жена заявляет, что в Нью-Йорке точно время, потому что ходишь по Нью-Йорку, такие кафешки, рестораны, кофейни, все тебя соблазняют, типа хотят потратить деньги, да? А я вот не трачу. Потому что моя клиентка научила меня не тратить деньги, а есть дома. И пить кофе дома.
Почему? Когда мы с тобой гуляем, ты ее не берешь с собой иногда.
Я не знал, что у нее есть руфтоп на библиотеке, как называется, Public Library. Есть бесплатный руфтоп. First time here is Grand Central Terminal.
Grand Central Station. It's grand and it's central.
Как это красивое место, это во время Рождества, Christmas.
Ну, вообще вот это 5-я авеню, я украшаю здесь очень круто. Одно из самых дорогих авеню вообще в мире. Здесь представлены вообще все бренды мировые.
Плачу в Бруклине $2300 за одну.
Да.
Что будет здесь стоить такая же?
Давай посмотрим, кстати. 370 однобедрумная, 3800 однобедрумная. Прям очень однобедрумная, прям.
Это студия. Ну, вот интересно, мы уже час обсуждаем, что делать, если у нас есть 17 миллионов долларов. А у тебя есть любой $1 миллион, даже не 17, хотя бы один. Мы уже просто час ходим и обсуждаем.
Ну, в GTA у меня очень много денег.
We came here several times with I wanted to do this, but every time such a long queue. Today nobody, so it's a destiny for me to roll a boat with this person here. He doesn't know how to paddle.
We paid it 50-50.
Nah.
Yeah.
By the way, just 27 bucks for 1 hour for 2 people for one boat, which is good. Central Park, 27 bucks, it's not expensive at all. So many people, look at this. And nobody knows how to do this. It's just so funny. Randomly hitting trees, shores, other boats. We have a plan, we can go to the shore, pick somebody else, like for $30, so we can save. Should be a good idea. This is a terrible driver. Hit 3 boats. And that's where we started, this way we came. 3 boats, 3 crashes. We can go that way, I guess. Ты до этого хоть раз делал, ну, катался на этой лодке, нет?
Не, первый раз.
Первый раз? Класс. Я тоже. Ladies and gentlemen, Bow Bridge, right here. Знаешь, я вот с маленького поселка в России, я никогда не подумал бы, что я буду в Нью-Йорке кататься на лодке в Центральном парке. А ты как ощущаешь
Я,
себя?
конечно, не из маленького поселка, я из Москвы. Но я когда-то, конечно, хотел покататься в Нью-Йорке в Центральном парке. Но не так, чтобы прям, будучи жителем Нью-Йорка.
Ну да.
Подписывайтесь, ставьте лайки, ставьте дизлайки. Хорошего вам настроения, веселого утра или доброго вечера. Спокойной ночи, хорошего дня. Всем пока.
Все, давай.